My name is Graham Laws. I'm Business Development Director for Mining Services for Kal Tire. Kal Tire is a Canadian company originating out of British Columbia. It was started in 1953 by Tom Ford, and it's still a family-owned business. Kal Tire was founded with a service station, and then we moved into the tire industry. We are not a manufacturer. We are a service provider to the mining industry, and Tom Ford, the founder, founded Kal Tire with one single belief: that high-quality products at a fair price, backed by superior service, would result in satisfied customers. We have grown to become Canada's premier tire dealer, working all the way from the west coast across to the east coast of Canada, and a global leader in the mining tire industry. Since those first days, one thing hasn't changed, and that's our fundamental commitment to customer satisfaction. It's at the heart of everything we do. Kal Tire's Mining Tire Group was originally started in the early 70s to service the mine sites in British Columbia, and since then it's expanded to an international operation servicing over 150 mine sites in North America, Latin America, Europe, Africa and Australia. We provide 24/7 service to the tires with the objective of maximizing the life of the tires. We're also one of the largest manufacturers of earth mover retread tires, with factories in North America, South America, Europe and Africa. We're currently expanding that into, we've just opened one in Chile, we're expanding with a new one in Mexico, and we have plans for other retread factories around the world, going up to retreading the largest 63-inch earth mover tires that are supplied by the manufacturers. Kal Tire Mining Tire Group delivers innovative solutions to maximize tire life and increase the productivity of mining operations. One of these innovations is the ultra repair technology for the repair of large and ultra large mining tires. And in 2015, Kal Tire was recognized by Mining Magazine's Innovation of the Year award for service providers to the global mining industry. So this technology has been recognized globally by the Mining Magazine. The challenge is that ultra-large mining tires are very expensive, and due to the harsh operating environment, they can easily be damaged, with resultant loss of value. Kal Tire aims to assist operators in maximizing the value in the operation of these tires, and so we have developed an innovative technology to be able to repair tires that were previously unable to be repaired. And this began on a mine site in British Columbia. One of our repair specialists was visiting the site, and he noticed a pile of scrap tires that were deemed by the mine's management as being done for, being scrap. They had crown, sidewall and tread injuries, and the tires were beyond the limits of traditional repair methods. We saw this as a challenge, and we removed 10 tires from the site, and we experimented with them, and eventually we were able to repair 9 of the 10 tires and put them back into service. Traditional repair technology and methods do not perform in certain locations such as the sidewall, shoulder, crown areas, especially when there's larger injuries. So the ultra repair technology was developed by Kal Tire to address these challenging injuries. The solution we came up with, having explored many different ideas and even to the point of welding the damaged wires in the casing in order to try and find a solution. Having tried several approaches to this problem, we eventually developed an innovative specialized patch. This was developed for the use on the internal wall of the tires, and on ultra-large injuries, we've also developed patches which can be placed on the external of the tire casing. And then rebuilt with rubber. I'll show you that shortly. The use of steel belts in the patches reduces the bulging on the sidewalls, which is a common problem with conventional repair methods, and that leads to premature failure. On a crown repair, it's not uncommon for the patches to move, and that causes early failure of conventional repairs as well. This is alleviated in using patches also on the external of the casing structure. And high sidewall injuries that are close to the bead area are traditionally non-repairable, but we've developed a bead wrap patch that wraps around the inside and outside of the tire over the bead, and we've developed a patch for that and a technique to fit it. We've developed our own training program, which is internationally recognized and has certification, so that our team members around the world have access to this training and the manuals, and we have rigorous quality control standards, quality management standards, to ensure that we have the highest quality and consistency of repair. The process is not dissimilar to a conventional repair. We begin by opening up the injury so that we can really understand the damage, the degree of the damage, and also to understand how best to repair it. So there's a sidewall shoulder injury here, and we've opened all that up, removing the rubber tread and even going into the casing. We then can identify what size of patches and how big the injury really is internally, because obviously ordinarily you only see the external of the injury. On smaller mining tires, such as 25-inch, we would use an ultra patch which is built with micro steel cables in it. And on larger patches, for larger size tires, those patches are constructed with cables that are similar to the cables that are similar size to the cables that are used in the casing on the original tire structure manufacturer. On a crown injury, steel cable patches are used in accordance with our standard for ultra repairs, and then we place a Kevlar patch over the top of that to provide additional strength and protection against impact. Once the tire is exposed and it's got a patch on it, we then rebuild using compound of a similar specification to the original tire manufacturer's use. So it could be cut resistant, heat resistant, or wear resistant. Once we've then cured the tire using heat, we vulcanize that repair, and then the tire can be cured, the repair can be cured, and then returned to service, releasing the value of the tire, the remaining tread of that tire. Our repair team members are true craftsmen, and they take incredible pride in their work and the value that it brings to the customers. The benefits of this technology are many, and this technology is available to all ultra-large mining tires up to 57 and 63 inch, so the really large mining tires produced by the likes of Michelin, Bridgestone, Goodyear. The savings and benefits of ultra repairs are significant and measurable, adding thousands of hours to the life of mining tires. For example, on a sample of 16 units of 63 inches, the value added through the use of ultra repairs was in excess of 110,000 euros. Sorry, am I too loud? You okay? Okay. So if you extrapolate that, in 2015 we did 2,500 of these repairs worldwide. And if you extrapolate the 110,000 on the sample of 16, that comes to an added value of 17 million that we added value to our customers' operations. In summary, the benefits of ultra-large repairs offer significant value to mine operators through the reduction of prematurely scrapping tires and the resultant reduction in the use of new tires, the resultant reduction in purchasing of new tires. This innovation of ultra-large mining tire repairs by Kal Tire results in the saving of tire life, enhances tire performance, and improves tire operating efficiencies for mine operators. Thank you very much. If you have any questions,